Aloha Ecamm family, check it out. It is Ecamm 4.0 and we got some cool updates for you. This has definitely been one of our biggest updates yet. One of the things that we've changed is some of the mode options you have inside of Ecamm Live. What do I mean by that? It makes a difference in whether you're streaming or just recording a video for, say, a webinar or something private for your community, and like using the virtual camera. Let me show you what I mean by that. If you pop up here into the top, you'll see we have this mode button. In here, you'll see we have toggles for stream, record, and virtual camera. So if I'm going to do a live stream, I can just pop this guy over. I'm good to go, ready to stream. Now, if I want to record that stream so that I can do some repurposing of this content, and you want to use these for your social media and whatnot, you're going to want to go ahead and pop this over so that way you can do that as well. Now, if I want to send this into, say, Zoom or Teams or some other video conferencing type joint, I can press this, and that also makes it really, really cool. Let me show you one more thing that we added, and it's kind of a highlight, but it's just oh so awesome. So if I wanted to make a record-only video, I would pop off the stream because I don't want to go live. Notice that when I turn it on, I have my live changes and stuff happening down here. But if I turn this off, then you're just going to see a record only button smack dead here in the middle. All right, so let me go ahead and press this guy real quick, and we're going to record a video. Aloha Ecamm fam, check it out. It's another cool update to Ecamm Live 4.0. Now, in the middle of that, I might come down here and press this pause button, which I did with the Stream Deck, but I pressed this pause button to give me the opportunity to catch my breath, gather a thought, move on to the next bullet point, center some chakras or what have you, and when I'm ready, I can either press resume here on the screen or with the Stream Deck. Notice the button is hot again. It's live. Now you see where it says pause or finish. I am done with this. So at this point in time, I'm going to go ahead and press finish. Once I finish, it's going to say in recording. You have a double press so you don't have any accidents. And now you'll notice we got something brand new right here. Notice where it says edit and descript. That's a whole separate video, but I just wanted to show you that's there. It's so cool. Now, a couple other things I want to show you. If I press show file, I'm going to bring this over here and you'll see I have all of these choices inside of my Finder where I kept these files. Let me show you how I achieved that. If I open up my preferences window, here in the recording settings, I have a place to record camera A, which is this Sony ZV-E10 right there. I have camera B, which is my Insta360 link, which is up in the ceiling facing down. And I also have my interview guests. If I'm doing live recordings with interview guests, I get isolated videos for each and every one of those guests. And also if I check this box down here, I get isolated audio tracks for each of those guests. I also have the option to press the camera effects before or after. I like to leave them off in case I need to make any minor tweaks inside of Final Cut. So that is the reason why when we pop over here to Finder, you'll see that I have all of these individual files for my A camera, for my B camera, which was my overhead, and for the whole show already pre-mixed if I were doing scene changes and things like that of the like. You can see now you have even more power when using Ecamm Live as your teammate for all of your production needs. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, drop them down in the comment section below. You can always reach out to us at supportdesk@ecamm.com. Once again, that's supportdesk@ecamm.com. And look forward to more updates coming out for 4.0. I have lots of videos for you to check out. We're going to pop a couple up on screen right now.